Hey guys, it's Celeste and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some DIY Christmas ornaments. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get updates on all my videos. Okay, so let's get into it. And this is what we are working for today's tutorial. This is very simple and easy to make. If you know how to make single crochet and do increasing on the next rows, then you are in with this project. First, we'll need 2 colors of medium size yarn, number 4, a yarn needle, a hook size of 4.25 millimeter. It doesn't see it clearly here, but anyway, that's the size. Scissors, ribbon, a ring size of 5.5 centimeter in diameter, and a glue gun. I found the ribbon at $3 and I bought the ring in Amazon. So this is the ring that we are needed here. To start, grab your hook and yarn. Make a magic ring. Chain 1 and single crochet 6 times into the magic ring. Now we have 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then pull the yarn to make it tight. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to make sure that we have a correct number right here. Pull the yarn to make it tight. Then cut the yarn before proceeding to the second row. But before that, we are not completely making a slip knot right here. Grab your second color. Chain it. And finish the last single crochet, then tie it behind. Second row, we need to increase our stitches in every chain. So we need to make 2 single crochet stitches in every stitch. Now I have 2 right here. Then go to the next stitch and make another 2 single crochet. Then go to the next stitch, make another 2 single crochet again, grab to the next stitch, make another 2 single crochet, another 2 single crochet on the next stitch, and now we are on the last stitch right here for the total of 12 single crochet stitches to complete the row. For the third row, we need to make 2 single crochet stitches in the first stitch and 1 single crochet stitch in the next stitch. So now we have 2 right here, then 1 single crochet on the next stitch. So we have 3 here. This is a 1 set. Then repeat this pattern 6 times. for the total of 18 stitches to complete this time. Before you secure the yarn, you need to cut it. Then we're gonna make a seamless slip stitch right here. All you need to do is go back to your back side of your work, insert your hook on the two loops, grab the yarn from front towards the back, and now insert on the back loop and grab the yarn, and you have a seamless slip stitch. And make sure that you make two pieces of this pattern, and don't worry about the back because these tails right here is hiding when we sew our project. So finish, secure the yarn, and make sure you have two pieces of this. Now let's move on the next step. Grab your ring and wrap it with your Now your base is done. Put aside and let's work on our bow. On this bow, I make sure around 8 to 10 inches long to make our